Hello everyone, how are you? I would like to share with you my experience with Sam. First, Sam is a very professional teacher and I highly recommend you to join her courses and participate in the community that she made, as she provides a very rich and valuable content, as well as a personal accompaniment throughout the day. Actually, I started with Sam and I was not at all an expert in the field of teaching writing and reading, but with time and commitment to the courses that she made, I gained knowledge and extensive experience. And the very important thing that I gained from her is the confidence to teach my students, the phonics. Last but not least, what facilitates learning with her is that she has provided a very fun and valuable applications that we can participate in and initiate education for our students or children as a parents. I would like to mention that Sam has a 10 years of experience. She also offers community connection in addition to a customized phonics classes. You can book for a free call to her and join now. Thank you.